Henan Wanren Pharmaceutical Co., Limited. Established in 2001, is a professional pharmaceutical company focused on producing high-quality oral solutions for battery lead detoxification. The company's flagship product Wanren brand's Xinrentai oral solution has received official approval from the National Food and Drug Administration and has been rigorously verified by authoritative institutions to demonstrate significant efficacy without any side effects. This oral solution not only effectively helps the body remove lead toxicity but also has multiple benefits, including blocking lead absorption, supplementing calcium, zinc and selenium elements, and enhancing immunity. Using Wanren brand's Xinrentai oral solution for on-the-job lead detoxification can save users up to 60% in costs. Additionally, the company promises product upgrades and offers a money-back guarantee if ineffective. To protect consumer interests, new and existing customers are welcome to inquire and make purchases to experience the health protection provided by Wanren Pharmaceuticals.